Hey, good morning everybody. This is John again from Volkswagen Planet. Today is October 28th, 2019. It's 12 days till Bugjam, which is up in PASCO County, just north of Tampa, Florida. If you guys get a chance to check it out, I highly recommend it. Probably about 700 cars in attendance. So let me give you guys an update on the 1972 Super Beetle. This was the one that I've been working on probably almost 2 years, and have a series of videos here on YouTube. Like I said, we got 12 days left, and it's going to be a big push to make it. Currently, I do not have the car registered in Bugjam, but I want to give you guys an update of where I am. So my goal for this weekend is to get the oil system ready, and what I mean by that is come Saturday morning, I want to be able to turn that ignition switch on and bump this motor over. I think if I can get the motor cranked up by the weekend, this car will be in Pasco County the following weekend. So I want to give you guys an update. I don't know where I was at last time, so we're just going to take a couple minutes and go through. So on the inside, I've started to clean up, and I'll tell you what, when you sit here, this really puts this car in perspective about how I want to, get the motivation to get going. So putting the seats in really was a big motivator for me. I did start cleaning it up. This is still the turn signal switch. These couple little wires here, these go to the door switch and the interior dome. But really, there's not much been going on. If you look back here, I did get all that wiring done that goes to the battery, so I'm about 99.99% sure all the electrical is correct to start the car up. So you guys may have followed the series where I've done the electrical in this car. The fuse box, I've got the fuse box pretty clean. I have not put none of the relays up on the top, but they are actually wired. You can tell it's a lot cleaner. I just got to take care of the spaghetti over there. Again, just really clean. Been doing a lot of cleanup. Like I said, I don't remember exactly where I left off with this, and this is the problem once you start doing these projects and take a time off in the middle. You just completely get sidetracked, and I don't want to be the part, or I don't want to be where did I do this or did I not do this? So I'm just going to start fresh, bumper to bumper. So I'm just showing you guys I did clean up, and like I said, it really is a good feeling for me just to be able to sit in the seat. And like I said, it may not seem like much, but it really does get me a little bit of motivation, which is something I definitely need on this car right now. The transmission is in. I learned that the hard way trying to push this thing. I realized it was a lot heavier when the car is in gear. But it is kind of a shame that just look at how dirty this thing is and the spider webs. I know I've let some people down, primarily myself. We're gonna go under the car real quick. I'm gonna have a video on this. This really seems to be another thorn on my side, and I'll explain in the video about that. But like I said, I've got a lot of stuff already done. It's like nothing's 100% done, but a lot of things are 90% plus. So like I said, I've had a lot of help to get this far, and I'm not going to let those guys down who did help me. You guys know who you are. So that's just basically where I stand right now. It's 87 degrees here in Tampa. Not going to rub it into nobody, but thankfully I am in the shade, so I do get a little bit of I guess heaven. I mean, it's really nice back here right now, so I hope to get a nice update report for you guys here in a couple of days. And hopefully, if I don't get this thing cranked up and no other catastrophes happen, maybe we can end this week on a positive note. So like, comment, share, subscribe, thumbs up, thumbs down, do all the good things, and we'll catch you on the next video, guys. Take care.